Here in this video, I will show you step by step on how to turn any selfie into a superb portrait typographic art using Nano Banana Pro, one of the most powerful AI creativity tools available right now. So, watch till the end to know everything. Now, let's dive right in. Here you can use the application or visit the website using the link on the screen. Here you can see, and here I'm going to use the application. The process is still the same. Here you can click on create image, or you can click this two facing arrow on the side here beside the plus icon here. Click on it like this. Now here you can see create image. Now click on create image here. Now here we have select the Nano Banana Pro. Now here to create the superb typographic portrait here, just describe here. First you use this preparation prompt, and then use the second one to generate the typographic portrait here. Now here let's use the first prompt here, and here let me paste it. Now here upload the photo you will use here. Now here I will click on this picture here, and then click on done after selecting it. Now here send it to prepare the portrait here like this by clicking this send icon here, and then wait for it. Now here as you can see it has prepared it, you see, to the perfect formation based on the prompt. Now here to create the superb typographic form here, now use this second prompt like this and paste the prompt. Now here on the prompt here you can see where it says topic. Now here select the topic you prefer, like love, any topic you like here, like anyone here. Here I'll use care. You can see care. Now send it. Now wait for it to generate and create it. As you can see it is creating it. Now here you can see here, you can try it on any other picture. So try it and tell me how it works on the comment section, and also make sure in the prompt you describe what you want it to be, and also add comma to it if you like mini typographic on it. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.